Good morning, guys. I am back here at Knott's Farm. Finally, I know it's been a minute. I've been super busy with the puppies, but life is getting back on track. They're getting a little bigger, so I don't have to stay, with them 24/7. But either way, they got a babysitter today, so I'm super happy. But today, I'm going to enjoy myself, the free time that I do have today. It looks like it's a little busy here today at Knott's Farm. But you know what? I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to have a great time either way. And we're going to explore the park today. We're going to get on some Silver Bullet, get on some Ghost Rider, Accelerator, and go see what's going on with the new Montezuma's Revenge, the Forbidden Fortress. I know they've been doing some testing lately, so hopefully you get some footage of that. Either way, we're going to have an amazing time today. So, let's do it.
Every drop's a reminder that I'm stronger today. Twists and turns hit hard, but I'm learning how to deal. I'm living for the ride. Thrills without the pills.
Okay, guys, we have the Lively Stables. Oh, look how cute. How cute. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, you're so handsome. Oh, he's so cute. This is in the Lively Stables here at Knott's Farm. We got the donkey guy here. You can see, there we go. You can see him there. God, I love Knott's Farm. It's so cute. Then we got these guys over here. A little sheep. Look at how cute. Awesome. Alright guys, we're over here by some hang time. This is where I'm going to start my day. I usually don't start off with hang time, but you know what? Why not today, right? It's only like about a 5-minute wait for the fast lane. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of my fast lanes for this one. This is a Gershlower. You know what? I don't mind this one. Some days it could be a little shaky, but if you get it right in the back, that's where I feel like the shakiness comes from. But if you get a front row seat, I think that's where you sit on hang time is the front row, because you sit in the back, you are going to feel that rattle, but other than that, pretty decent ride. I enjoy it. So let's go see how it's running today. Let's do it.
Look, I don't want to look. No, I'm not looking. I'm close. My eyes are closed. My eyes are closed. You can see so far. It's gonna drop us. I'm gonna die.
Why did we stop for so long?
Okay guys, we just got our ride on some hang time. It was pretty decent today. No rattle, like I said, when you sit in the front, there's usually not a rattle, they don't have that shake. But pretty decent ride. Like I said, for Gershlower, I hear that it could be either way. Like it could be really good, like it could be smooth as butter, or it could have a really bad shake. But with hang time, I think it's somewhere in the middle, depending on where you're sitting. But I was gonna get on Accelerator, but it has been down the last couple of days, the girl was saying. So either way, we're gonna continue on with our day. I'm gonna go see if I can get anything with the Montezuma's Revenge. I know a couple days ago they did have like the wall down, so you can see the new entrance that it has. But either way, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. It wouldn't hurt, so let's do it. As you guys can see, they have the wall up here, and you can't really see much, but let's see, hold on. You can't see much at all, but yeah, they should be opening here, I think in the next couple of weeks, I heard, but who knows? Yeah, so let's see if we can see it. Hold on. Let's see. Yep, there it is right there, guys. The new entrance there. I know you're entering on the opposite side now, when before, like back in the day, you actually entered on the other side, but now they switched it. So either way, hopefully it's good. I'm going to try to take a walk down on the other side and see if I can see anything else. So let's do it. Actually, you know what, guys? Before we leave the Fiesta Village area, I wanted to take a ride on La Revolucion because I haven't been on it in a minute. So let's go ahead and see how long the wait is. Either way, it's fine. So I love this ride, so let's do it. Okay guys, just got our ride on La Revolucion. I love that ride. It's like so simple, yeah, like it's so much fun. I just always have a great time on it. But I'm going to take a walk back over here to see if I see anything. You know, I don't see it running or doing any testing, but you know, maybe get a look at the trains or something. I don't know. But let's go and take a look. Let's do it. Nothing really going on yet, guys, unfortunately. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a ride over here on Sierra Sidewinder. I love Sierra Sidewinder. You can't go wrong with it. I think this is one of the most underrated rides here. If you get a good uneven train and you're spinning like crazy, it's super fun. I love Sierra. Even though it's a family coaster, it can be a little crazy. So hopefully I get that uneven train. So let's do it. Guys, we just got our ride on from Sierra. Hey, you know what? It wasn't spinning that much. And you know, it's okay though. The Sierra Sidewinder I think is a super underrated ride either way. But when you do get that little spin, it's so much fun. I love it. Stacey always yells, "Spin us!" every time we get on it, and it's just hilarious. But yeah, either way, I think we're gonna go here and get on some Silver Bullet. That's our next ride. So, you know, we love Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet is so fun. I enjoy it every time I get on it. Super underrated B&M inverted coaster for sure. But let's go ahead and take our ride. Let's do it. We just got our ride on some Silver Bullet. Always fun in the front, better in the back, but I wanted to get a good POV for you guys today. But I don't know, I think I'm getting a little bit hungry now. I think I'm going to try to find something to eat. So you know, Knott's Berry Farm has some of the best theme park food. I love their food. So let's go ahead and see what we get into for some food. Let's do it. Look how busy it is right here. Super busy today at Knott's. Alright guys, so I made it back over here to the Pop Shop Pizzeria. I got my pasta and my meatballs. I love this. It's super good. It's super busy over here. Like I had to wait like 15, 20 minutes to sit down and eat. But yeah, there's a bunch of kids here. Like a school group of some sort. But either way, you gotta try out the Pop Shop Pizzeria because it's so good. Like the little meatballs, delicious. Super good. But I think after this, I'm gonna hit up Ghost Rider and then kind of see where we go from there. So let's do it. Oh, okay, guys. So I was on my way over here to get on some Ghost Rider, but I was like, you know what? Let's make a stop at Pony Express. And if you know me, you know that I do not like Pony Express. But I'm here. I'm by it. Why not? So let's do that. Guys, we just got our ride on some little Pony Express. I mean, it's Pony Express. There's really not much to say about Pony Express. I mean, the little launch is okay. It's just so short and boring, and like, it hurts me, to be honest with you. Like, you know, it's not a fun ride for me. But, yeah, it was okay. The little girl next to me was so cute. She's like, you have to hold on. It was cute. But, yeah, either way, now it's time for some Ghost Rider. So let's go ahead and hop on some Ghost Rider. I know it's going to be running good because I heard it running earlier and it sounded like it was going fast. So it's going to be amazing. So let's do it. We just got our ride on some Ghost Rider, and as always, it's running amazing. I love Ghost Rider, truly one of my favorite rides I've ever been on. I've been riding this ride for years, since I was a teenager, and I'm almost 40, so that should tell you something. But either way, you know, I had a blast today. It's been a minute since I've been able to come on here and get on some rides. Like I mentioned before, you know, we've been taking care of 7 Frenchie puppies, and they're a handful. So it's been kind of hard to, you know, get to the theme parks. It's a 24/7 hour job, essentially, you know what I mean? But today I was lucky enough to be able to get out and, you know, have some time. And this weekend we'll be able to go to Six Flags Magic Mountain again, so I'm super excited for that. But either way, you know, I'm just truly grateful that I'm even able to do something like that, you know, to be reliable for someone that my sister can count on, you know, and that's something that recovery has given me. Because in the past, the only thing you can count on me on doing was doing drugs. And that's the God honest truth. I was not reliable. You couldn't count on me to do anything at all, you know, and to be sitting here today, to be trusted to do those things, to be reliable, to do anything other than thinking about myself and using and manipulating and stealing and lying and actually, you know, being trusted, like I said, and reliable to do this. And these little puppies are thriving, and they just, it's amazing. And you know, in the past, like I said, you couldn't count on me to do nothing. You couldn't even count on me to keep a job or any of this, you know. But today, I'm a reliable person, and you can count on me, and I'm a trustworthy person, you know. And that's something that recovery has given me, and I'm truly blessed that I'm able to do this today. But you know, guys, keep following along with us on this journey. We have so many more, you know, places to go, and you know, it's just the sky's the limit. You know, we have such big dreams. Keep following along, and you know, thank you so much, guys, for watching. You know, we love you and we care for you. And as always, it's the thrills of the pills. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
Life's a crazy coaster.